which was an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EU participants will follow activation procedures in the EU Operation Tanzania for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. We interrupt our program. This is a national emergency.
Emergency action notification. All broadcast systems and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most cable systems will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Group Channel 7. We will continue to serve the Salt Lake City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Salt Lake City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is Group Channel 7. This cable system will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Salt Lake City area. If you are not in Salt Lake City area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station or cable system in your local area. This is an emergency action notification. This cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most cable systems will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Group Channel 7. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This cable system will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. Please pay close attention to this alert, as it is vital for your safety. This is a national level emergency. At approximately 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, two very dangerous individuals have been spotted roaming the streets of the United States, killing everyone in their way. Those individuals are also sending horses and patriotic people to every state of the United States. It is believed that those two people are former Presidents George Washington and Abraham Lincoln, who were the first and 16th presidents of the United States. They are now back to take back what is theirs. Modern buildings are being completely destroyed. Several soldiers from the 1700s and 1800s have been sent to the central and western United States to attack everyone in those states. All residents of the United States, no matter where they are advised to immediately shelter in place. Take a 14-day set of supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, important documents, and a battery-powered hand-cranked radio with extra batteries, and a flashlight. President Donald Trump has been taken to an undisclosed location and will speak over the air shortly. Stand by for his message.
February 16, 2026, will go down as one of the worst days in American history, or with any doubt, the worst President's Day in American history. What was supposed to be a day to remember two men of this country turned into a patriotic attack against this country. Two former presidents, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln, somehow came back to life and is attacking anyone it sees. Forces, American Revolution and Civil War soldiers are attacking every corner of this country. Modern-day buildings and objects are being destroyed. Cannon fire is being reported across the United States. Cowboys from the 1800s are shooting people in the United States residents our nation is being attacked by two former presidents and patriotic people and modern-day buildings and objects are being destroyed, we will come out stronger than ever. We will rise up as one nation. Under God. Thank you. God bless you. And God bless the United States of America.
This concludes operations under the Emergency Alert System. Normal programming operations may now resume. The United States of America has officially fallen to George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and the patriotic people. Ships from 1600s to 1800s are being reported. Every single former president from 1800 to 1899 has came back to life. Modern day technology is no use. You are on your own now. You can no longer depend on the government to survive. Normal programming is permanently discontinued forever. Thank you for being part of our country for 250 years. All operations of the Emergency Alert System will now cease.